Hi, I'm Matias. I'm the founder of PRLab. Welcome to our YouTube channel where we discuss everything about doing PR in the digital era. Today we're going to talk about how to distribute a press release. If you have been following us for a while, you will see that we have made already a video about how to write a press release and what is a press release. But we never spoke about how to distribute a press release. So there are different ways to distribute press releases, and there is no one size fits all. It really comes down to you and your budget and the tools that you use. You will see that a lot of companies use wire distributions. What is wire distribution? It's a pay-to-play service where you basically hire a third party to distribute the press release for you. Typically, we're looking at companies like Sision, for example, or PR Newswire. These companies have relationships built with different outlets that would syndicate your press release, and that would allow you to get a lot of third-party endorsements, aka backlinks, in different outlets that would most probably help you with your SEO results. So it's really important that your press release is SEO optimized, because later on these parties will link back to you and your keywords. So PR Newswires, they help a lot with SEO efforts. How to distribute a press release is also really important to think about building a custom-made list of media that you want to target with your press release. So it's not about spray and pray. Typically, what helps a lot is to distribute the press release under embargo and exclusively first before you do the massive distribution. So an under embargo distribution is basically you select a bunch of outlets that you would like them to have kind of like a sneak peek of the announcement before anybody else's. So that increases your chances of getting picked up by the media, and it also allows you to build a relationship with that outlet in particular. So let's say that you would like to share your funding round with outlets that are specialized in covering funding rounds like VentureBeat and TechCrunch, and those are your desired outlets. What you could do is you could give the exclusive to TechCrunch, or you can share the press release under embargo with both of these outlets at the same time. That way they will get early access to the release before anybody else's. They can maybe interview your spokesperson and cover the story and get ready to publish it before the embargo lifts. So it's really important that you also detail in your press release when is the embargo lifting. So you distribute a release via Newswire, or you can also distribute it via your email. Like you can just do an email distribution, like a mail merge, or you can use an email distribution service such as, MailChimp to distribute your press releases too. So there are different ways to do so. You can either import a CSV with contact details of journalists that you would then send the release one by one. There are a lot of PR professionals that I know that they like to personalize the emails that will go out with each press releases. So they take the time to do a one by one distribution. Or some other people, what they do is to do a one-on-one distribution for tier 1s and tier 2s and 3s, aka outlets are not that relevant for the brand, would get a massive distribution via a email distribution tool. Don't forget to follow up on your press release after 2-3 days, and most importantly, do not spam the media. They do not like to be spammed with endless emails, so be mindful about your distribution. And sometimes no answer is an answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you subscribe to the YouTube channel below. We post videos all the time about doing PR in the digital era, and we have a growing community here on YouTube. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you in the next one. Bye.